pala. And this is it. Talk about UPS, United Playboy Playgirl Society. Well, let's go to tackle about all the problems in the UPS. That's our agenda for this evening, guys. Well, I heard that you are the social president. So, ano ba ang work ng social president?
Being in my position, well, it's all about socialization. How and why you need to socialize in the clan.
Well, tama ka. In the clan talaga, kailangan talaga marunong kang makisama at makipag-socialize. Kasi nga, ang isang reason bakit may clan tayo is we need to friend surfing. Hindi lang tayo makakita sa internet ng mga friends. Hindi rin sa everyday, kundi makakita rin tayo ng mga friends through text dahil sa clan na yan. Pero sometimes, the best thing is, di ba? Clan is one of popular ngayon. Isa sa mga popular maliban sa net surfing. So, dapat marunong ka talaga makipag-socialize, di ba?
Yeah.
So, ano naman yung ngayon pag-uusapan natin? Wala ko nga po ang Vice President po under po kay President po ng whole clan, which is Maria Elena Bores. And hi po, kung nakapanood ka. And
well, bagong lahat yan, meron daw na issue about si isang member ng UPS. And it's all about Megan, I think, and Jet. Yeah?
Well, tama ka nga. Well, narinig ko lang talaga daw na si Megan daw. Or, I don't know the code name of Megan, kasi hindi pa ako na-update that time.
Yeah.
Tsaka hindi pa ako bumabalik that time.
Si Megan
sino
daw
tsaka si
noon.
Jet, which is Rain. Si Rain.
Oo,
Si
yung
Rain
president
ng Vice
ng under kay Ma Elena na president. Na ground president! Gosh!
Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Meron daw silang relationship ni Megan. And guess what? Nung last few days lang daw, nagkaroon ng issue dahil nakita ni Megan sa list ng UPS na may Miss Rain.
Which is yung GF ngayon ni Rain.
Pero, nag-wonder kami kung bakit may GF si Rain na GF niya pa si Megan. Kaya,
Abangan lang yan. Next.
Kaya hindi pa natin dapat abangan siya. Dapat isolve na natin siya ngayon. Kasi nga, baka yun yung makasira sa clan. Well, guys, ganito ang sasabihin ko sa inyo. If you really, want to have a relationship through clan, it's just not a joke, okay? Kasi, hindi lang yung isang relationship pinaglalaroan. Kasi, sige, aminin na natin sa hindi. Ako yung isa sa mga pinakamatanda sa clan natin. And, I know when our clan started. So, ayoko namang masira yun kasi pinaghirapan din yun ng founder natin. And well, guys, Megan, before you ask your boyfriend na si Rain kung ano na ba talaga ang relationship niyo, relationship status niyo. Tapos, Rain, ikaw naman, don't hit two birds in just one stone. Okay? Hindi 2 is better than 1 palagi. Kailangan you choose. Kasi, hindi lang isang tao yung nasasaktan mo. 2 tao, pati sarili mo masasaktan. Kung mahal ko, sinong mahal mo sa kanila, dun ka. At siguro maiintindihan naman ng isa sa kanila yung reason mo, bakit ganun. Okay? Kaya, Rain, choose the best girl and mag-explain mo mabuti. So guys, magbabalik po ulit ang UPS. So, don't cut it up. Bye-bye!
Welcome back!
Hi guys! It's gonna be good to be back. Well, ang papatuloy natin yung issue about kay Megan, tsaka kay Rain, tsaka kay Miss Rain. Well, ano ba masasabi mo sa issue nila?
Kay Rain, sinabi niya na lahat daw ng kanyang GF or girlfriend niya ay love niya. So, you really need to choose the one your heart deserves. Not 2, but 1. Yun ang suggest ko sa'yo.
Well, tama siya. You really need to choose the right person kasi nga mahihirapan ka. Hindi lahat talaga nakukuha mo kasi lahat nga tayo nagmamahalan sa clan natin. Pero tandaan mo rin, iba yung pagmamahal sa isang relationship. Hindi lahat ng babae laruan. You need to choose the best one. Alam mo ba yun? Like sinabi mo nga, Angel, the best one, yung sinasabi mo the best one, yung pinaka mahal mo at ayaw mong mawala sa'yo. Huwag mo nang hintayin na lahat ng mahal mo mawala pa sa'yo, di ba?
Yeah, right.
Kaya,
Nakaka-hurt ng
Rain,
feelings.
hindi man sa siniseduce ka namin, torture ka namin, but hopefully, you understand what we are talking about kasi nakakasira yan sa image ng clan natin. Tsaka nakakasira rin yan sa relationship ng clan natin. Magka-clanmate pa naman ba yung dalawa? Diba? It's not really the,
The
yung sinasabi bang hindi tama siya. Hindi tama talaga. Well, the thing rin, gusto ko lang talaga ma-share sa'yo na sasabihin mo, sana ma-solve na to within this week at sana masabi mo talaga in what you feel. Rain, you can visit my Facebook naman and you can PM me there. Just search Julian21Kate at yahoo.com.
and mine is Sky_Kathy88 at yahoo.com.
So, whatever naman sasabihin mo, don't worry, Rain. We're gonna support you. Kaya,
Just PM us
PM
on
us on Facebook.
or
Tsaka, or kaya mag-leave ka na lang ng message sa page natin. And sana, masabi mo nga through our page, yung tunay mo nang nararamdaman kasi don't wait for the time na masaktan mo sila ng todo-todo. Masakit yun. Parang, well, nararamdaman ko na talaga yun. Well, guys, may fact is fact muna tayo. Yung kay ex niya rin si Rain.
Yeah, it's my ex. But it's only for 3 hours, I think so.
Well, may sasabihin pa pala ako nung nangyari, sister. Pinagkamalan ako si Kat. Ikaw, hay na ako. Nat-torture talaga ako sa mga
God.
ganun.
Nako.
Well, Rain, not all naman kailangan mong sabihin na ex mo eh. Kasi minsan, nami-misinterpret ka ng mga tao. Don't play as you know everything. Okay? Kasi hindi mo yun alam. Oy, by the way pala, I would like to say hi to Bunso. Hi, Bunso! And I would like to say hi kay Joseph ng clan natin. Hindi ko lang natandaan yung code name
And
mo.
yes, and Jade Girl, hi. Thanks for your advice and thanks sa yung text kanina.
Gusto ko rin palang kunin yung panig ni Megan. Megan, you can, private message with me or you can chat with me if I'm online. Or di kaya
Okay,
mag-leave ka
same
ng
as-
message, tsaka humingi ng advice. We're open. Tsaka you can text me. My number is 0907-9217-177. So, you can search me or you can ask DJ, our founder, with my code name. Okay? I'm faded, so you check for me. And I'm gonna wait for your text. Amiga na, siya. And sa ibang magiging issue natin. Tsaka meron pa palang issue na narinig ako ngayon. Meron pong mga clan na ginagaya po ang ating mga
Form. Ini-edit po
form.
nila. And
Ini-edit nila.
sometimes po, meron po tayong clanmate noon. And his code name is Blackheart, I think. He
Blackheart, I
edit-
really hate you.
He edit our form and GM or group messages in other clanmates. Tas binigyan siya ng I think it's 3 days or 2 days na i-change yung kanyang form kasi meron siyang clan, its name is DYCC, Dynamic Youth Christian Clan, I think so. Yeah, and he apologized, but
Hindi pa rin siya nag-learn, guys. So, please naman sa mga gustong tumayo sa clan, yung sarili niyong clan, please naman, huwag niyo naman gamitin yung, yung namin, yung form namin, kasi, pinaghirapan namin yung gawin. At teka lang, may sasabihin pa pala ako, guys. Welcome pala sa new president of Rojas Chapter. Still, 0111 Vice President po si
Broken
Gal. Hi pala, tsaka congratulations for being our
And
president.
don't forget, welcome sa mga newbies.
Yeah, newbies, hi. Sorry minsan ako hindi ko kayo na welcome. So, pagbabalik po kami ulit. So, you better watch out. You better not cry. Santa Claus is coming. Tata! UPS! Update!